Alright guys, welcome back to the Cruiser. Just trying to sort out my avionics side of things. Yes, I do have the microphone right against my lips when I transmit. So, just going to explain the MGL system in this video. Alright, so I've gone through and just played with my settings on the radio. I've turned the mic gain up to 6. That does adjust the transmit volume, and also I've got my Vox level set to 5. If anyone else has got the Bose A20 headset with the MGL radio, V16 radio MGL screen, I haven't got a radio head as such. So if you've got some settings there that you could share with me, that'd be fantastic. You might also notice flying along, when I change screens and I want to navigate, let's go to a bigger one. So I haven't got any maps, so I can't navigate at the moment. I've been using my iPad with Photo of Roger, and just go to Oz Runways for my navigation, so I can navigate with Oz Runways. One thing I've noticed having that over there, if I did it again, I'd have the screen so it could twist out instead of having to lean over to read it. So next step is to download the maps for MGL. Sounds easy, right? All right, so whack the glasses on and pull out the MGL Avionics document for downloading maps. General, blah, blah, blah. Installation of data files. Let's go there, page 8. Now, I'm not a computer geek, so I find this all a bit tough, to be honest. The MGL AIFA system uses single file navigation database named Navidata, EWD. This file can be obtained from various sources. Navidata file can contain the following information. Odyssey and Voyager G2 systems can support multiple Navidata files. Waypoints. Here's how it works. Rename your Navidata EWD files as required to place them into regions. Again, it is recommended to use the standard region codes as listed at the end of this document. Navidata EWD, Navidata B, EWD, Navidata C, EWB. Using the section of your G2 navigation menu, left-hand keypad, to select which navigation code to use for your primary Navidata. There are subscription products such as Jeppesen Navdata are already named according to coverage region. Secondary Navidata file, The G2 systems allow the use of a secondary Navidata file that is active at the same time as primary Navidata file. The secondary Navidata file is named SNavi EWD. Any Navidata file can simply be renamed to become a secondary Navidata file. There is no difference in the file format. Okay. Bring on the iPad, I'm saying. Format. Be aware there is a chance for duplicate waypoint or airport information. Supplementary waypoint file. Well, let's go how to install it. I don't know how to find it yet. I don't know how to install it. Okay, so you find your maps. There's raster maps and there's some other maps with region codes. So I'm in Australia, so I've got the first 7 letters, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, are allocated to fixed regions. Africa, no. Europe, no. Euro-Asia, maybe, because there's nothing else better. Middle East, North America, South America, Pacific. Well, I went to RIMPAC because our nation rims the Pacific, so maybe Pacific. Installation of data files. This is where it's Okay, copy all of the following files to the root folder of your SD card. Okay, slow down, big fella. Note, it is a good idea to format the SD card. I think I can get through that. Format the SD card and put it on the root, which I think is just drag it onto there. This can help improve access speed to the files. All raster map files, including the matching map index MMO file, the VMAP EVD file for your region, the Navidata EWD file from your data subscription, product and or open file format created by the MGL central application. All the terrain data files to cover your region, if they have prepared waypoint EWD file, copy that too. You can install the Navidata EWD file into the instrument if you have sufficient space on the internal SSD drive. The drive can hold up to 6 megabytes. Use the install tasks to install the Navidata file. Copy all these files, all raster map files, including the matching map index file. The VMAP EVD file for your region, the Navidata. Using the EFIS installation menu, perform the following task: install terrain data, install vector map, install raster maps, install Navidata database, install supplementary waypoint file. After this, the files can be removed from the SD card. It's starting to sound like I should have built this thing all by myself. Data sources, where to get the data files. Navidata, there's 3 or 4 spots. Raster map files. Raster maps to cover South Africa are distributed on DVD. Vector map files, these files can be downloaded from MGL Avionics. Waypoint EWD file. So, for now, I'll just use Oz Runways, I think. So if anyone knows how to do the maps on MGL EFIS, that'd be great to let me know. Thanks.